Okay, here we are in Royal Oak. So we're gonna just kind of drive around a little bit, give you a little bit of a taste or flavor of the city and show you what it looks like. So yeah, Royal Oak, Michigan, and not too far from Detroit. It's probably one of the more livelier suburban downtowns that you'll see anywhere. But we'll see if it is like that today. It is a Sunday evening, so I don't know, we'll see. So stay tuned. Royal Oak, Michigan. Okay, so we're gonna go up to the stoplight and take a right. A lot of different directions I can take in here. I just passed Main Street. I could have taken a right there, but we're gonna see some stuff here too. It's all good. You can see a little bit of activity already. Good choice. There's Sino Thai, Joe's Grill, so you can already see the activity. So yeah, actually Royal Oak kind of acts like another downtown. You got downtown Detroit, and then this is kind of it's like one of the most downtownish suburban cities you'll see. A lot of activities. There's people walking around. I'll give you a little bit of a view. Just kind of go to all the different sides. This is probably a better city to walk around actually, because a lot of people do walk around. There's more people over here again now. So, okay. Let's come back to here. We're going to be moving along in a moment. So we'll just kind of go cruise through it. Give you an idea of what it's like. At least what it's like to drive through anyways. A lot of businesses. You can kind of see why people want to live in Royal Oak. Ramen restaurant, ramen restaurant. You know what, I think I'm gonna cruise down this way. Oh, the road is closed. Yikes. See if we can go back. So yeah, you can definitely see there's a lot more lively activity, right? More people walking around here. And we got a green light. Big Royal Oak sign. Well, these roads are kind of rough right here. Jeez. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lot of people in Michigan complain about the roads. You can kind of see why. Let's go down this way. What I'm going to do is just kind of crisscross around a little bit. So that means I'm going to take a left shortly. And I'm going to go down to the Main Street, which is a couple blocks down. Because I didn't take that one yet. The Oak Apartments. So yeah, you got more people walking around here than probably anywhere else around the whole Metro Detroit. If I'm wrong, let me know. But that's kind of the way I always think of Royal Oak anyways. This is where you get your pedestrian activity. good place to walk a dog. Is that Iggy Pop over there? No. Got some, walking some dogs over there. Okay, how am I gonna get to this one? There we go. Okay. So we got a stop sign here. Big parking lot over there. So this street says Main Street, which is what I'm going to take a left on. Dang, these roads do not look good. So that's kind of a main street right there. Okay. Go across in a minute. Bike lane. Okay. The Jolly Pumpkin. So the main street is definitely the more main street to go down. And it's kind of good I got a red light because I want to capture some of the sides and everything like that. So this is 4th Street in Maine. I'm gonna come over on this side too. So yeah, it's a good place to park and walk around, really. But I'm doing a driving video, so I gotta stay faithful to my drive. Coney Island.
Hey.
Royal Oak Masala Indian cuisine. Okay. Looks like we got some condo units over there to the straight ahead to the left there. Looks like they're building something to the right. I don't know what that might be, but that's something. I think what I'm going to do is just keep on driving out so you got a little bit of a taste of Royal Oak, Michigan anyways. Just driving around in the kind of the downtown Mexican restaurant right there. Not too bad of a place. Since I'm on this main street, I'll just keep going until the main street kind of fizzles out a little bit for you. Hollywood Market. If you're gonna live in the Metro Detroit area, this is always a good choice for people. I'll be ending this video shortly. We're gonna be kind of driving out of Royal Oak downtown-ish area. It's all right. Let's end it.
Niña, toma cuidado la voz de